Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you doing? My name is Chabarnabe, and welcome to my YouTube class. And in today's class, we am going to teach you different ways of how you can say I am fine. Don't always say I am fine, but instead, I am going to tell you other words that you can use to express yourself saying I am fine. Tugiye kwigira hamwe andi magambo ushobora gukoresha urimo uravuga ngo meze neza. Ajya kubaza ngo how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. So stop saying always I am fine. Now, don't always say I am fine, but instead you can say all is well. How are you? All is well. All is well. You say bimeze neza. Please, someone can ask you how are you, and you say I'm fine. Please stop and say all is well. All is well. Another way that you can say I am fine, you can say I am okay. I am okay. I am okay. You always say I am fine, I'm fine, but it means the same. You can say I am okay. How are you? How are you? I'm okay. I'm okay. How are you? I am okay. Please hit that and subscribe. Do it right now so that you can support us and then we stay in touch together. Please don't always say I am fine. Always I am fine. You can say all is well, or you say I am okay. Another word that you can use, you can say how are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Don't always say I am fine. Say I am good. I am good. You cannot say I am great. I am great. I am. So ndakata ariko nta kibazo byose ni kimwe. You can say I am great or I'm great. I'm great. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm great. Ndakomeye meze neza. All is well. Meze neza byose. Another way also, how are you? You can say I am doing well. Say I am doing well. I am doing well. I am doing well. I'm doing well. Ndimo ndakora neza. How are you? I'm doing well. Another way, you can say not bad. Not bad. Thanks. Not bad. Thanks. Not bad. Not bad. Thanks. Not bad. Thanks. How are you? Not bad. Thanks. How are you? Not bad. Thanks. You can also say everything is fine. Everything is fine. How are you? Everything is fine. Instead of always saying I'm fine, you can always say everything is fine. Byose bimeze neza. Aya ni amagambo yose ushobora gukoresha rero asobanura kimwe urimo uravuga ngo meze neza. How are you? All is well. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm great. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm okay. I'm doing well. Ndimo ndakora neza. How are you? Not bad. Ntabwo ari bibi cyane. Ntabwo ari bibi. Not bad. Thanks. Ntabwo ari bibi cyane. You can also say everything is good. How are you? Everything is good. So those are the words that you can use to express I am fine and use them instead they ask you how are you? Say I'm fine. I'm well. I'm doing well. Not bad. Thanks. Please make subscribe, share if you like this video so that we can study English together. Thank you very much. Bye bye.